Anyang Forging Press Machinery Industry Company Limited was founded in 1956. At present, we have 1,600 employees with a total area of 80 acres. Our production value was $85 million in 2011. Our company has passed ISO 9001 certification. Till now, we have exported our products to Germany, USA, UK, India, South Africa, etc. Totally more than 60 countries and areas. Our main products include CNC fully hydraulic die forging hammers, hydraulic forging presses, electro-hydraulic forging hammers, pneumatic forging hammers, hydraulic riveting machines, etc. If you are interested in our products, please feel free to contact us.